Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the merchant plugin for your WooCommerce store. This is one of the much needed plugin for your WooCommerce store. So without wasting any time, let's roll up the intro and get into the video. As a first step, log into your website cPanel and go to the WordPress Manager by Software Class option and log into your WordPress dashboard. And now go to the add plugins option to install the plugin. Now on the search bar, search for merchant, and now if you scroll down, you can see the plugin named pre-orders, product labels, buy now, quick view, discount rules and more for WooCommerce merchant. Click on install the plugin and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings page. Now the global settings page will be open. Here you can see the three settings named improved merchant, enable analytics, enable module usage tracking. Enable all the three settings here. And now if you scroll down, you can see the option named merchant operating mode. Here active means merchant is active and visible for all customers. Preview means all merchant modules are active, visible only for the admins. Inactive means it is inactive. And here you can add custom CSS and JS codes. And now on the left side, you can see the option named merchant. Please click and open it. Here on the right side screen, you can see like you have two modules enabled. I have already enabled the two modules for the testing purpose. Click on the same option to explore and add all the modules to your store. In this page, you can see there are total 47 modules for your WooCommerce store, but most of the modules are in the pro version, but you can also find the free versions of the modules. Now please load your WooCommerce store website for the testing purpose. Let me show you how the modules will work on your store. Now go to the plugin settings page. Here you can see lot of modules for your website. For the demo purpose, let me show you how some of the modules will work on your store. Let's open the Buy Now module. This module will enable a new Buy Now button to send our customers directly to the checkout instead of the cart page. Once the module is enabled, please refresh your website. You can see the Buy Now button along with the Add to Cart button. And now the second free module is Cart Count Favicon module. Click and open the Cart Count Favicon module settings. Here click on the enable button to enable the module, and you can also customize all the modules in the same page. Once the module is enabled, please refresh your website. Now on the top near our website's favicon, you can see the number like 1, 2, like how many items that was in your cart. Now the third free module is inactive tab message. The module settings and enable the module. Come back to your website and load your website. This module will modify the browser's tab title when you switch the tabs. Now open the payment logos module. It will display the sum of the payment logos for your WooCommerce store. You need to update the payment logos images to display it on your store. I am uploading the testing images to show you how it works. To enable the plugin, go to your WooCommerce store and refresh the website. Click any one of the products and open it. Now you can see that safe and secure checkout and the payment method logos will be displayed here. Go to the same modules page. Then open the trust badge modules. Here you need to upload the badge image to display it on your WooCommerce store. Like your product is 100% quality, 100% pure, like that. For the testing purpose, I'm just uploading a testing image to show where it displays. Once you choose the badge image and enable the module and go to your WooCommerce store and refresh it again on the same product page, you can see the new section perfect quality guaranteed and the image. And now the next module is animated add to cart module. Click the module setting and open its settings and click on the enable button to enable the module. And now if you scroll down, you can see the tab named animation. Here you can set the animation for the add to cart button. Choose your desired animation and click on the save settings button. Go to WooCommerce store and refresh the page. Now if you move the cursor to the add to cart button, it will show the animation. Next module is add to cart text edit module. Here in this module, you can change the name for the add to cart for the single product, variable product, for the each product, or for the all the products. Enter the name that you would decide to change for the add to cart button and go to your WooCommerce store and refresh it. Now you can see that the add to cart text has been changed to the text that you entered on the section. And the next module is agree to terms and conditions checkbox module. Click the module and enable it. Terms and conditions link section, enter the terms and conditions pages link. Now go to WooCommerce store and refresh the store. Now go to the view cart option. Here now click on the proceed to checkout option. Here you can see that the I agree to the terms and conditions option has been showing here. The next important module is the cookie banner. Enable the module. Module will display a banner like we are using the cookies in this site. Customize the cookies option in the page. On the privacy policy URL page, enter our site's privacy policy web page's URL. And now go to your WooCommerce store and refresh the page. Now you can see that the dismissible cookie banner is showing on your store. Also, you can take backup of the each and every module and restore it whenever you need. Please note that we have mentioned only the important modules in this plugin. There are also other useful modules for your WooCommerce store. Please check it out. If you have any doubts on the details mentioned in this video, please drop a comment. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.